Hi, it's Dr. Judith Briles with another shorty publishing tip for you. Do you know that your cover is so essential to any reader who is perusing the Amazon bookstore, who is cruising through a brick and mortar, who is at maybe a crafts fair or any fest where items are displayed? Your cover has only 7 seconds, up to 7 seconds, to be the real, to bring them in to you. So one of the smartest things you can do is really think the power of one. One focal point, one image, or one huge word. Your color is important, but it's the design. So make sure that you're really working with a cover designer who's got the moxie, the talent, the wherewithal, and the professionalism to get you and your book so it becomes the lighthouse for any passerby that says, "Whoop, we need to stop here and look this over, to pick me up, to pick me up." It will make the difference. Too many times, especially with beginning authors, they want everything. They want all the images that are relevant to their books. No, it's the power of one classic image that will then draw them in, and then the hook starts. I'm Judith Briles. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube station, and make sure that you share it with other authors and writers.